Hello, welcome back to another episode of our breakfast, lunch, and snack box preparation. Today, for our lunch, we'll be making chicken barbecue. I already marinated this chicken last night para today, just put it in a pan na lang and it will be faster. I'm not using a grill because I don't have a griller, so instead I'm using this kind of pan to cook our chicken barbecue. And while our chicken barbecue is cooking, I'll be making some Kani Omelette for our side dish. So to our eggs, we put in some salt and pepper and shred the Kani, the crab, the imitation crab sticks. So just shred it up and just put it in our egg. So, adjust the temperature sa itong barbecue, and then once the chicken is somewhat cooked na, we'll pour over the rest of our barbecue marinade para saucy ang atong barbecue. I-cover na siya para di ka escape ang chicken mo. Dagan yan na. Hinay-hinaya. O, siba? Dahil na kayo. So, I just made about 5 lang ka chicken barbecue, unfortunately. So, tagtuang ako mga amo, ang tigluto, isara. Kaya basing mapas mo niya sila. Sige na lang, enforced diet ni ako always. Anyway, and then we'll continue with our Kani Omelette. And as you can see here, my pan is not yet some hot because naana ang school bus and I'm not yet done with my preparation. So, siya, faster na ang show. So, i-roll lang na siya slowly ang egg para ma-form na siya. And then, so once this is done, we will allow our egg to rest para before slicing, so it will take shape. Slice na siya, and then mag-prepare na sa itong lunch box. So klaro kay siya, no, lisod kining one man show ay kay di nakasabot sa itong gibati, wala ta ka feel ani nga wala nakita. Basta na siya ang egg niya, ato ang steamed broccoli and our barbecue. I-adjust na natong stick. Ako na siyang giputol. Okay, para ma-close ang ato ang bawnanan. So, sprinkle a roasted sesame seed on top of our barbecue para chada! In panila. And here it is, our chicken barbecue. And for our very quick breakfast, this is very quick na jud. I'm just making avocado and egg on toast. Very quick na dyan na siya. And panimbagting ang akong toasted bread. Akong toaster. Carrier na. Basta na siya. Put na sa bawlanan kay adto na siya sa school mo eat ang ako. Adto na sila sa school mo eat sa breakfast kay nag-waiting na kuya driver ay na yung wala na time mag-eat. So, faster na kaya sa egg elegant kayo pagka-slice. Boiled egg na siya. I pre-boiled this one already. Okay, in times like this, adjust handsak man ta sa to ang breakfast. So, that's it. Our breakfast is done. It's some kind of complete with our kind of avocado egg and toast. And see, our lunchbox, dragon fruit, chocolate biscuits, and some chocolates. Thanks for watching!